This one is not so futuristic. This is a nostalgic story. Lego's buildable NES console comes with a playable game. Well, it doesn't really. It's not a playable game. I read the headline. It was a playable game in a Lego. How are you going to do it? Playable in the sense that after you build it, it's kind of animated, sort of, with a crank. Anyway, it's still cool.
Yeah.
It looks so good. It looks so real. It's a NES console that you will build out of Lego with a controller and a cartridge and an old school looking TV, which will actually move. And if you scroll down a little bit here, Will, you'll see a video, a little launch video. It's not cheap. It's going to cost $229 and include 2,600 bricks. But as you'll notice here, if you scroll forward maybe just a little bit, you put the screen in, you put the front cover on. There's even an antenna. You plug a controller in. Of course, it's all Lego. He blew on the cartridge for nostalgia's sake. And then see, you're playing Mario. Well, isn't that exciting? Well,
so you crank it, but you also play it?
No, there's no playing. That's playing. That's playing.
Oh, okay.
You can drop Mario in the top, and I think you get some music if you do that. It's a whole ecosystem, but really it's a cool collector's item with a Lego component, which is going to be a challenge to build. This is going to be a tougher build, man. 2,600 pieces is no joke. And I think it's going to look cool to put it on display. And I mean, that's half the reason that people have these retro consoles, just to look at them and have warm feelings.
The aesthetics.
So this one,
nostalgia.
At least you can say I built that too. You can get that piece to it. So people are still in love with NES, it appears. But if you want to be this in love, you're going to have to put some time into it and build a 2,600 brick Lego.